This is a room tour at the Horseshoe Las Vegas, room 2121. This is a standard two queen room with a high roller view. When you first come in, you have your bathroom. I always like the bathrooms here. I think they're pretty good and really good lighting. Of course, you got your normal body wash, soap, all your little towels and toilet paper and a hair dryer. Shower is nice and good. They usually have pretty good water pressure. I do like that they have shelves. That's good. This is your closet over here with a safe. I always think it's strange that it's standing on a little stand. It's weird. There's also a child that comes with the room. He stands in the corner, and if a ghost comes, he scares him away at the horse's hoe. You do have a very big mirror right here to check yourself before you leave. You have a very big credenza over here and your nice TV. They do have a refrigerator, and ooh, it comes with dust. That's nice. I know that the Horseshoe is older, but it's pretty good, mostly clean. You know, sometimes things happen. Very big work desk, another big mirror. You have a chair. Ooh, and it comes with a nice hole. I think that's nice. That's a nice additive. You do have two queens, but they only gave us 2 pillows, so we will be asking for some more pillows. Over here, you do have your charging ports. I would like it if it had it for both beds, but that's okay. Your telephone, more room to store things. Beds look good though, and our view is pretty good. We got the high roller, we got the sphere with dirty windows. That's good. Oh, look, you can see the very edge of the guitar tower right there. But this was a room tour at the Horseshoe Las Vegas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time.